Headache,
Okay.
hips, and the chest again.
Check. How's the knee going?
Knee's okay.
Knee's okay?
Sore, but it's not bad.
Alright, perfect. So lay down, face down. Let's take a look at you.
Okay.
Alright. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. One side or the other? Oh, you have a headache or both?
I had a headache. I think it's on left side.
On the left side? Right about there?
You almost had it.
Yeah, okay, okay. I'll tie on these muscles.
Yep. Always.
Oh boy, okay. Yeah. Alright, let's loosen you up just a little bit. I'm going to make it easier to adjust it. So this should break out the muscles just a little bit. You have a headache right now?
Slight one, yeah.
Slight one? Okay. Well, we'll see if we can get rid of it. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at these. This feet here. Okay. Jim, on one person equal on both sides?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel the difference? This one is coming closer to your butt than this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a huge difference in there. Let's see if we can fix that. Let's see if we can fix this. There we go. So a little bit better, but not much. Let's see if we can fix that up as we go along. Alright, let's sneak right in here. While you're laying down, there we go. Good. Ooh, let's have face towards me. Okay. One of these. Those. Bottom leg straight. Move right into that same area. One more. Good. Let's go to the other side. Oh. There we go. Yeah.
That one was easy.
There we go. Let's go back to the other side. Okay. So I'm going to grab this. I'm actually going to grab this leg. I'm going to kick it out straight. This leg straight. There we go. Alright, Jim, I promise you're not going to fall off. There we go. Much better. Alright. On your back. And big bear hug. Alright. Take a look nice and relaxed. There we go. And all the way down here. There we go. Good. Alright, perfect. Now let's sneak in here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's right there. That's where the headache is coming from. Nice and relaxed. Go ahead, wiggle your toes for me. There we go. Good. Alright, and same thing on this side. Good. Nice and easy. Alright. And let's take a look at your knees here. No, I'm just checking them.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, this one, yeah. Alright, so let's grab this here. Go ahead, grab onto the sides. Okay. Go ahead and give a nice little pull here, okay? One more. There we go. Good. Go ahead, turn around, face down for me. Alright. So this one is just gonna check, same thing. Even? Is the pressure even?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so it's a little bit better. It's not completely moved away yet, so let's go here. Okay. So only this knee needs it, so there we go. There we go. Go ahead, face up. And let's see, what do we have here? Still on this side a little bit, huh? Yeah.
Trying to make me cry today?
No.
Whew.
No, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with this, okay? So let's do this here. There we go. Grab on one more time today. And relax, relax. I'll get back to you. There we go. Good. Good, that's much better. Alright, so you sit up. Swing your legs over this way. Move your head one way to the other. Let me know if the headache is still there.
That's pretty good.
Is it still there or is it gone?
I think it's gone.
Awesome. Cool. Can we address anything else?
No, here we good.
Alright, perfect. Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.